Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG Gram SuperSlim 15.6-inch OLED notebook. So friends, this notebook PC boasts a remarkably slim profile with a thickness of 10.99 mm, making it the thinnest in LG Gram's history, and it weighs a mere 990 grams despite its 15.6-inch display constructed from a durable magnesium alloy that has passed 7 tests in accordance with the US Department of Defense MIL-STD 810H standards, and the LG Gram SuperSlim offers robust build quality. Its organic EL panel display complies with VESA DisplayHDR500 standards, delivering a peak brightness of 500 cat per meter square and providing a white color gamut with 100% DCI P3 coverage. The display's rapid 0.2 millisecond response time ensures clear visual during various tasks including gaming, video playback and scrolling, and key specifications. The display's rapid 0.2 millisecond response time ensures clear visual during various tasks including gaming, video playback and scrolling. Key specifications include a Core i5 1340p CPU, LPDDR5 6016 GB memory, Intel Iris Xe graphics, a 60Hz refresh rate, a contrast ratio of 10 lakh gem burn, 256 GB NVMe M.2 SSD for storage. Connectivity options include Thunderbolt 4x2, USB 3.2, Gen 2 Type-C into 1 and headphone output into 1. Network capabilities encompasses Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1, and the laptop offers up to 13 hours of continuous battery life with dimensions of 356 mm in width, 227.45 mm in depth and 10.99 mm in thickness. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the estimated market price is $1,659. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.